St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School has 23 points. Mankranso Senior High School has 26 points. Ghana National College has 29 points. The contest will be decided in the fifth and final round. Round 5. At stake in this round is the Goal Super Bonanza. At this stage, every riddle counts. So you will get 2,000 Ghana cedis if you solve all 4 riddles. If you solve 3 of the 4 riddles, you will get 1,600 Ghana cedis. If you solve 2 riddles, you get 1,000 Ghana cedis. And if you solve even a single riddle, you get 500 Ghana cedis. Wonderful, right? Okay. So the Goal Super Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal Good Energy. Thank you very much, Goal, for the Super Bonanza. All right. So in this round, round 5, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Mankranso? Thank you. St. Thomas Aquinas, thank you. Ghana National College, thank you. There are 4 riddles. I am a thermodynamic relationship. I express relationships between extensive and intensive variables. I am thus not fundamental. An example of me is the universal ideal gas law. I am an equation that expresses relationships between pressure, volume, temperature. Yes.
Ideal gas equation.
No. Set this out, I continue. Temperature and number of moles of a substance in thermodynamic equilibrium. So who am I? Yes, Ransford.
It is a state equation.
I'm not going to accept it. You rang.
Equation of state.
Yes. The equation of state, not state equation. Next one. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is twice the sum of my exterior angles. I have 6 axes of symmetry. Yes, Mankranso Herbert.
Regular hexagon.
Again?
Regular hexagon.
You're right. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a white or off-white inorganic solid compound. I am a strong oxidizing agent. I am also a strong bleaching agent, releasing chlorine when in contact with water. As such, I am widely used in disinfecting drinking. Yes, Ransford.
So you are sodium hypochlorite.
That's incorrect. I continue. In disinfecting drinking water and swimming pools. I contain a higher percentage of available chlorine than sodium hypochlorite. My formula is Ca, open bracket, OCl, close bracket, subscript 2. Yes.
Of
Herbert.
calcium hypochlorite.
Yes. I read a 6th clue. 3 points. Last one. I am a concept in evolutionary biology. I am primarily derived from the physical observation of various phenotypes. I help to explain why species living in different geographical regions exhibit different traits. All right? Yes, Maxwell.
Adaptive radiation.
No. I continue. Charles Darwin's views about me, as expressed in On the Origin of Species, were that it was probable that there was only one progenitor for all life forms. I imply that all living organisms, from plants to animals to humans, can trace their origins back to a common ancestral population. So who am I? Ransford.
Phylogeny. Phylogeny.
No. Yes, Herbert.
Evolution. Evolution.
Oh.
Evolution.
Oh, how? Anyone? Anyone? Oh, nobody. Common descent. Common descent, also known as common ancestry. Common ancestry. That's the end of the 5th round.